बैक प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने देखा था DML कमांड्स। इस लेक्चर में हम देखने वाले हैं DCL कमांड। सो DCL स्टैंड्स फॉर व्हाट? डेटा कंट्रोल लैंग्वेज। तो जब भी आपको अपने डेटा पर कंट्रोल लगाना होता है तो आप DCL लैंग्वेज यूज करते हो। Okay, so there are two commands which comes under DCL. So one is grant and the second one is revoke. सो ग्रांट क्या होता है? जब भी आपको किसी को परमिशंस देनी है तो यू ग्रांट योर परमिशंस, ओके। एंड जब भी आपको उससे वापस लेनी है तो यू विल रिवोक देयर परमिशन, ओके। तो ग्रांट और रिवोक आप यूजर्स को देते हो, ओके। so you have to create your user and then you have to grant and revoke permissions from them, okay. So let's create a user first. For creating a user you have to write create user and then you have to say your username. So suppose I am saying my user, which is my user, okay, and identify by, and you have to give a password. So suppose pass @12345, this is the password I am giving to my user, okay. So my user is identified by what? Pass @123, okay. So let me run this statement. So it got executed. So my user is created now. Now next is you have to grant some privileges to this my user, okay. So suppose you have to grant select, update, delete and insert all privileges to this user, okay. So for granting that, your command is grant. You have to say grant, you have to give select, then you have to give update also. So comma update, comma delete, comma select, update, delete, and you can also give the insert, okay. And then you have to say on which database. So I have a database called my first DB. So I'll say my first DB in which table. So I want in every table, so I'll give it as a star, and then to whom? To my user. To my user. So you are granting select, update, delete and insert all the permissions to this my user for this database and in every table, okay. So let me run this. So this got executed. So now if you want to check what all grants you have given, so the command is show grants for my user. Okay, so if I'll run this, it will show me what all grants we have given. So we have given a select, insert, update and delete, right? So this is shown here. So it means this user, whenever this user will log in, then this he can do what? Select also, update also, delete also and insert also, okay. So like this you can show your grants, okay. Now next is if you want to revoke these things. So suppose you want this my user to not to delete, okay. So you want my user he cannot delete anything from the database, okay. So for that you have to write revoke command. So revoke, then you have to say which thing you have to revoke. So delete. So you have to revoke delete on which database? My first DB database dot every table. So I need every table from my user. From which user? My user, okay. So what you are doing, you are revoking the my user from deleting from this my first database every table, okay. So let me run this. So this got executed. So when I'll say show grants, at that time it will say he can select, he can insert, he can update, but he cannot delete from the database my first DB, okay. He cannot delete that. So like that you can create user who will log in, and after that you can give grants and revoke the grants to that particular user, okay. So this was about DCL languages. Okay, in the next lecture we will see TCL, which is transaction control language. Thank you.